Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into sine of 16x to the power of 4 multiplied by sine of 16x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine of a square plus cosine a square equals to number 1. So this one we have sine of 16x to the power of 4. So we can transform into sine of 16x to the power of 2. Everything to the power of 2 again. Because number 2 multiplied by number 2, we have number 4. So I will put this one go to the right, and now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine of 16x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have negative 16, so we need to divide both sides by negative 16. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by this one. And now we need to expand this one. So we have the formula in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The next one, we have 2u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. And I will put about sin here. About u, that is about cosine 16x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.